Most people think of dementia as a condition that appears later in life. However, a recent research suggesting something different. It reveals that the foundation for brain health and dementia prevention is laid much earlier. In fact, middle age is a critical period for adopting habits that may even lower its risk. A 2025 analysis by the United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention found that nearly 80% of adults aged 35 to 64 already lived with at least one chronic condition. In fact, according to a Harvard study, 22% of people who later developed dementia had at least one of three risks: high blood pressure, diabetes, or were smokers between the ages of 45 and 64. 44% had at least one of them between the ages of 65 and 74. For women, the steepest progression from metabolic syndrome to diabetes appears to occur in the menopausal years, which is around the age of 50. The brain changes over time, just like the rest of the body. Small injuries and reduced blood flow can accumulate over the years, leading to memory issues, hearing loss, cognitive impairment. By the time dementia is diagnosed, those changes have been developing silently for decades. According to a US survey, about 30% of adults who reported permanent hearing loss said it began between the ages of 40 and 59. That is why midlife is a key window to prevent dementia. Consistent physical activity, mental engagement, and a balanced diet support long-term cognitive health. Research also highlights the role of social connection and mental stimulation. People who stay socially active and engaged in learning are more likely to maintain healthy brain function. As dementia rates rise, people struggle with the financial and emotional weight of care. If you are in your 40s or 50s, now is the time to think proactively about your brain health. Making changes today may delay or even prevent cognitive decline tomorrow.